For homeowners in Weston, comfort and efficiency go hand in hand. With warm summers, humid conditions, and seasonal weather changes, maintaining the right indoor temperature can be a challenge, especially if your windows are outdated or inefficient. Fortunately, upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows is one of the best investments you can make to improve comfort while lowering energy bills. Modern window technology is designed to keep your home cooler in summer, warmer in winter, and more comfortable all year long. Here's how new windows can transform your Weston home, both in comfort and cost savings. Better insulation means year-round comfort. Older windows often have worn seals, single panes, or warped frames that allow air to leak in and out of your home. These small gaps can cause uncomfortable drafts, uneven room temperatures, and wasted energy. New windows feature multi-pane glass, insulated frames, and advanced sealing systems that keep your indoor climate stable no matter the weather outside. During hot Weston summers, they block outdoor heat from entering, reducing the strain on your air conditioner. During cooler months, they trap warmth inside, preventing heat loss through the glass and frames. This improved insulation ensures that every room in your home stays consistently comfortable, without the hot spots or chilly drafts common in older houses. Energy efficiency that reduces utility costs. One of the most noticeable benefits of new windows is a lower energy bill. Energy-efficient designs use innovative features like low-E, low emissivity coatings, argon gas fills, and thermally broken frames to minimize heat transfer. Low-E glass acts as a reflective barrier, bouncing infrared heat back to where it came from, keeping the heat outside in summer and inside in winter. Argon gas, a clear, non-toxic insulator placed between panes, helps prevent heat from passing through the window. Together, these features significantly reduce the amount of energy your heating and cooling systems use to maintain your desired indoor temperature. Many Weston homeowners see up to a 25 to 30% reduction in energy costs after replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient models. Protection against Weston's humid climate. Weston's humidity and rain can take a toll on older windows, causing wood rot, mold, and leaks that compromise insulation. New windows made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad frames resist moisture damage and remain airtight even in Florida's challenging climate. Properly sealed windows also prevent moisture buildup and condensation, which helps protect your walls and sills from mold growth, keeping your indoor air cleaner and healthier. This moisture resistance not only improves comfort but also preserves your home's structural integrity and appearance over time. Reduced outside noise. For a quieter home, energy-efficient windows don't just improve temperature control, they also make your home quieter. The same multi-pane construction and insulation that keep your home comfortable also reduce outdoor noise from traffic, lawn equipment, or nearby activity. For Weston homeowners living near busy areas or community parks, this can make a noticeable difference in day-to-day living. The result is a calmer, more peaceful environment inside your home. Added value and curb appeal. In addition to comfort and savings, new windows also enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Modern designs offer sleek finishes, larger glass areas, and customized frame colors that complement Weston's architectural styles. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to potential buyers who value comfort and lower utility costs, making new windows a smart long-term investment for homeowners thinking about resale value. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the most advanced window won't perform properly if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that your new windows fit perfectly, seal tightly, and function exactly as designed. Local experts in Weston understand the region's specific weather challenges and use installation techniques that maximize your window's performance and lifespan. Final thoughts for Weston homeowners: replacing old, inefficient windows is more than a home improvement, it's a lifestyle upgrade. With modern materials and energy-saving technology, new windows create a quieter, more comfortable living space while helping you save money on energy bills year after year. Whether you're focused on comfort, sustainability, or long-term value, Professional window replacement is a smart investment that enhances your home's beauty, performance, and overall livability, no matter the season.